Here's how to create a dramatic color isolation zoom effect in Premiere Pro. Double-click your preview screen and click and drag the blue circle to where you want the zoom effect to target. Now, go over to Effect Controls and click the stopwatch icon next to Scale and Rotation. Move ahead 6 frames by hitting the right arrow key and change the value of Scale to 150. Next, go to Effects, find Lumetri Color, and add it to your clip. Back under Effect Controls, go down to Lumetri Color and select the Pen tool. Begin drawing an outline around your subject until you've traced all the way around. Check off the inverted option. Then scroll down and click the stopwatch icon beside saturation. Lower the saturation value to 0. To correct the hard edges of your mask, increase the feather and expansion settings until it looks properly blended. Now, move the timeline slider to the start of your clip and click on Reset Parameter to restore the saturation. Move your timeline slider ahead 5 seconds and change your scale value to 170 and your rotation to -4. And that's it. You've successfully created a color isolation zoom effect in Premiere Pro.